Welcome to Mind Maze. Top 3 stocks to watch in 2025. Stock number 1, AI boom stock. First up, we have NVIDIA, NVDA, the king of AI chips. With AI adoption skyrocketing, NVIDIA is at the center of it all, powering everything from self-driving cars to next-gen supercomputers. Light bulb, chart increasing stats overlay. 2024 revenue, $50 billion plus. Stock growth, chart increasing plus 120% in the past year. Analyst prediction, rocket strong by rating. Wall Street is betting big on NVIDIA, and with AI only getting bigger, this stock could be a long-term gold mine. Stock number 2, renewable energy play. Next up, Tesla TSLA, but not just for EVs. While Tesla is known for its electric cars, its energy division is set to be a game changer, with battery tech and solar solutions leading the clean energy revolution. Seedling high voltage, chart increasing stats overlay. Market cap, $800 billion plus. New battery tech coming in 2025. Government incentives for renewables. If Tesla cracks the renewable energy market, we could see a massive valuation jump. Smart investors are watching this one closely. Stock number 3, the underdog growth stock. And finally, we have Shopify Shop, the silent giant of e-commerce. With small businesses shifting online, Shopify is building the infrastructure for the future of retail. Shopping cart, chart increasing stats overlay. 2024 revenue growth, 60% YoY. Market expansion in Asia and Europe, competing with Amazon in key markets. As more businesses ditch traditional retail, Shopify is positioning itself as the go-to platform. This could be a sleeper hit for 2025. So there you have it, NVIDIA, Tesla, and Shopify. Which stock are you watching in 2025? Drop a comment below. Speech Balloon. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more market insights. Let's grow together.